हेलो स्टूडेंट, यूट्यूब चैनल प्रकृति क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर सब्जेक्ट बॉटनी पेपर फर्स्ट में प्लांट वाटर रिलेशन के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन, द सॉइल वाटर टाइप्स ऑफ soil water, biological importance of water, then diffusion सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में हम लोग देखेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन, अब जानते हैं कि कोई भी जीव बिना वाटर का या बिना जल का जीवित नहीं रह सकता है, क्योंकि वाटर इज द मेजर स्ट्रक्चरल कंस्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ द प्रोटोप्लाज्म। About 60 to 90% of the body weight of all living organisms consist of water. Water acts as the reactant or end product in the several biological processes. All the biological reactions of the body take place in presence of water. All the biological activities take place in the presence of water. Water is a universal solvent. Water is a universal solvent. For nutrients and metabolic products of living beings. For nutrients and metabolic activities in the plant body. Water enters in the plant body from the soil. Water enters in the plant body from soil through the root system inside the plant. Means water enters into the plant through the root system of the plant. During this process, many physical and biological activities many physical and biological biological process take place like as absorption ascent transportation absorption ascent transportation diffusion osmosis plasmolysis osmosis plasmolysis etc. in this way water make correlation with plant and for plant water relation. So all the physiological and biological activity take place in the plant body like as a diffusion, osmosis, plasmolysis, transportation, ascent of sap, absorption, etc. In this way form the plant water relationship. नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं सॉयल वाटर की। इसकी बात करते हैं सॉयल वाटर। Soil particles have many intercellular space, and in this cavity have some water and air. This water is called as soil water। हम ये देखते हैं कि जो मृदा कण होते हैं, सॉइल के पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, इस पार्टिकल्स में बीच बीच में खाली स्थान होते हैं जिसमें वाटर और एयर भरे होते हैं। ठीक है, इसी वाटर को हम सॉइल वाटर कहते हैं। तो सॉइल वाटर फॉलोइंग टाइप्स के होते हैं। फर्स्ट, रन वे वाटर। सेकेंड, रनवे वाटर। सेकेंड, कैपिलरी वाटर। थर्ड, hygroscopic water। And fourth, chemical combined water. Fifth is the gravitational water. Gravitational water. रनवे वाटर, ड्यू टू द हैवी रेन, जब तेज़ बारिश होती है तो कुछ जल की मात्रा ड्रेन होकर के स्लोपी एरिया में जाती है और इकट्ठा होती है, उस वाटर को हम कहते हैं रनवे वाटर। रनवे वाटर क्या है? आफ्टर द हैवी रेन सम ऑफ द वाटर ड्रेनेज अवे along द स्लोप, दिस वाटर इज कॉल्ड एज द रनवे वाटर। इट इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर द प्लांट। मतलब हैवी रेन के बाद जो वाटर स्लोपी एरिया में जाती है और इकट्ठा होती है उसे हम कहते हैं रनवे वाटर। और दिस वाटर इज नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर द प्लांट्स। दिस वाटर इज नॉट available for plant। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट है कैपिलरी वाटर। कैपिलरी वाटर, the portion of the soil water which is held by the capillary force around and between the soil particles called as the capillary water. This is the capillary. Between the soil particles some space is present and this space is known as capillary. And this capillary force, due to the capillary force some water stay here and this water is known as the capillary water. Capillary water, and capillary water is most important for the plant. Capillary water is available for plant means this water is useful for the plant. Capillary water, because the root hairs of the roots present between the soil particles and this root hairs absorb the capillary water, and in this way this water is useful for the plant for the growth and development of the plant. Next is the hygroscopic water. Hygroscopic water present on the surface of soil particles, and the soil particles have the water vapor around the soil particles, and this water is known as the hygroscopic water. And the hygroscopic water useful for the plant, because this water is absorbed by the root hairs or roots of the plant, so it is the useful for the plants. Next one is the chemical combined water. A small portion of the water present in the soil particles and it reacts with the water and form the chemical compound like as a FeSO4 into 7H2O. Means some of water in the soil particles combined with each other, with organic or inorganic compound, and this water is not available for the plant, so it is the unuseful. This water is unuseful for the plant. Clear? Gravitational water. Last is due to the gravitational force, some waters enters into the earth surface earth surface. Due to the gravitational force reach into the earth's surface, and this water is known as the gravitational water. This water is not also this water also not available for the plant. This water also not available for plant. So this water is called as the gravitational water. For example, कुएं का जल, कुएं का जल, कुएं का जल. Clear? So this is the types of soil water: runway water, capillary water, hygroscopic water, chemical combined water, gravitational water. So only two waters like as a capillary water and hygroscopic water is available for the plant for the growth and development of the plant. Clear? Next is the biological importance of water. Biological importance of water. Biological importance. Water is very essential for life. First, water is very essential for life. Next, because specific characters, the importance biological functions of water as follows. First, water is the chief components of cytoplasm. Water is the chief component of cytoplasm. क्लियर? वाटर जो होता है वह साइटोप्लाज्म का मुख्य कंपोनेंट होता है, मुख्य घटक होता है. वाटर इज द चीफ डोनर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. वाटर इज चीफ डोनर during the photosynthesis. Water is the chief donor, means मुख्य डोनर होता है. During the process of photosynthesis, it releases the hydrogen ion. Clear? Next is the second water is the chief donor to the plant during the photosynthesis. Absorption of water and minerals. Absorption of water and minerals take place through the water. वाटर मीन्स मिनरल्स और वाटर जो है कि वाटर के द्वारा ही मिनरल्स शरीर में अपटेक किए जाते हैं, बॉडी में अपटेक किए जाते हैं प्लांट के. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट द वाटर मेक पॉसिबल द ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस. विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल्स. थर्ड, water play an important role in the transportation transportation of organic and inorganic organic substances or ion. Clear? Third, fourth is the water act as the reagent. Water act as the reagent. Clear? Water helps in the conduction of food material inside the plant body. Water helps in the conduction of food material in the plant body. Water maintain the integrity of the cell. 6. Water maintain the integrity of cells. 7th, water regulate the body temperature of the organism. Water maintain the body temperature of organism. Water functions as a medium. Water functions as medium for biological reaction taking place in the plant body. So these are the biological importance of the waters. In this way we are study today about the introduction of plant water relationship, soil water, types of soil water and biological importance of the water. Thank you.